September 27th. It's almost 10 o'clock. I had a pretty rough night. Not that only that it was the coldest by far. I think -20, -25 Celsius. I was charged by a grizzly bear last night, which was pretty hectic, and I had to use the shotgun for the first time against the bear, unfortunately. It was about, I think, also 10 o'clock. It was already dark. Full moon was right there where the sun is now, actually. And I was just waiting to see if northern lights are coming out. I was pretty quiet. I don't know if he was surprised by me or wanted to check me out or something. I don't know yet. I have to go through my mind again, and I don't know, maybe we will never know. But I was standing here, and then I turned, and I actually wanted to see around the corner here, and I saw this grizzly right down there by the edge of that little pond, and he was walking towards me, and I was like, hey bear, and I had made the gun ready, and then he charged right up here, and then I fired at him about 6 meters from here, and then I stepped back, ran back, because I couldn't see, it was already dark, so I stood here ready to fire another shot, but then I heard how he splashed through that water down there, so I just fired one more into the air, and he was running off into the woods. So now I just checked the tracks. So I was standing right there, and you can see these are his tracks. You see, he came running, charging up here. You see all the dirt in the tracks. You see, and this is where I fired the shot, which is like 6 meters. And then he turned. You see, violently turned and ran down back into the water, and ran off to this side. Pretty hectic stuff, eh? I mean, it was a huge grizzly bear. There's no blood, so I think I missed him, but I couldn't see. It was too dark, you know. And all this brush was also not good for visibility. It was just the moon out. I just saw this huge bear running towards me. Aye, man. But this is hectic stuff, eh? I will go later on. I will go on to the other side and check if there's blood or something in his tracks over there. But I don't think I think I missed him. He was running full force, eh? But these slugs, they give a huge fireball out as well. So and they are loud and powerful. So yes, I think the bear spray wouldn't have worked there. I mean, you know. Even behind those bushes, you know, the spray and the wind, and he was in full force, you know. You can see all this dirt in his tracks. Crazy.